In recent years, paper good has become a niche due to digitalization. It's seen as expensive and non-eco-friendly, yet some people still prefer the paper medium, without abandoning their conscience or green credential. OFFCUT is an initiative that pursues an affordable and sustainable approach to meet this demand. Waste isn't the end, but rather the beginning for OFFCUT. We started by rethinking our production process and observing the waste that we are producing. To us as printers, we have the ability and skills to use and realize the potential of waste. It was important for us to reframe waste, change what has seen as negative into a positive effect. Our idea was to create fun and functional stationeries, designing products that can be used in everyday life. We were able to turn waste into something exciting.
This train of thought led to two different ways to reduce paper waste and to repurpose waste paper. We thought for a long time about what we could do and realized that we could minimize actual offcuts in production. When there is excess space on the printing plate, we use it to print our own stationery designs. The offcuts that are inevitably produced are also used to create byproducts such as plain notepads or repurposed as loose sheets. They are also left over in a print setup due to the bulk purchase of paper to cater for make-ready. We cannot use this leftover for projects as the paper hue changes over time. Naturally, they are discarded at the end of the year due to the lack of usage and storage space. Today, we use them for offcut products. This has now been our standard procedures to maximize and to reconfigure our print jobs, producing close to almost zero waste. Since we have started, we were able to repurpose about 55% of our warehouse paper waste. These very small initiatives transform a naturally wasteful process into a sustainable activity. Neither production efficiency nor quality is compromised.
When we started making our own products, it came naturally to us that we needed a retail store to introduce offcut products to the public. It's the first of a local print house to have such an integrated approach. At the Paper Thrift Store, we were able to interact directly with the public to educate and inspire them to look at waste in a new perspective. That with some imagination and creativity, one can breathe new life into waste. We also hope to inspire our fellow industry colleagues that printers can do more than printing. We can be creative producers who put out our own content and also be effective resource manager who actively manages waste. OFFCUT has received lots of positive feedback. We definitely see a strategic role in the industry and also as a bridge to the public. We envision ourselves in coordinating the industry in the effort to reduce paper waste. In fact, we have collaborated with other industries in raising public awareness about sustainability and repurposing, which actually happened recently in a collaborative pop-up called V at Ion Orchard. We are hopeful for what this small initiative might become.